All right. 2011 Chevrolet Silverado Z71. And I just wanted to go over something real quick. I have changed every wheel sensor on here. So that means doing the front hub assemblies. Did that. I did the trailer brake relay underneath the spare tire. I did everything these forums said. Well, I'll tell you what. The one thing that the forums aren't telling you how to fix your service trailer brakes, service stabilitrak, and service your what is it? Oh, and traction control. You know what it is? I'll tell you what it is. Check it out. Sorry for the mess. So underneath here, it's your brake pedal. Your brake pedal switch. If you've noticed, if you're ever in a dim lit area when your lights are on, your brake lights aren't working unless you really stomp on the brake pedal. Yeah, so just to let you know, it's $10 on Amazon. Don't be like me and change out a bunch of sensors you didn't have to change. Literally, $10 freaking dollars. And oh yeah, you can change it out in about 5 minutes. It's one bolt, comes right off your brake pedal. It's connected right to your brake pedal. Plug it in, done deal. I don't know. I have no idea why this isn't out on the internet for people to fix their trucks. It's the most annoying thing to have that light come on. Your ABS light comes on. Nope, it's just your brakes light switch. So you can thank me later. Don't spend all the money like I did. I guess I got a bunch of brand new parts for no reason. All right, take it easy.